Naghahanap ka ba ng tablet na merong dual SIM and pwede siya mag-support ng micro SD card plus meron siyang 2.5K display? Ito ang Doogee T30 Ultra. Itong tablet ito has everything that you're looking for on the tablet. Magaan siya, matibay siya, maganda-ganda screen, and dual SIM siya. More details after this quick intro. So like I said, ito tablet ito has dual SIM capability. Dalawang 4G SIM pwede mo ilagay dito. Pwede ka rin mag isang 4G SIM plus isang micro SD expansion kung kinulang ka sa 256. Now, one of the first things na magugustuhan mo dito sa T30 Ultra ni Doogee is quite slim siya. And I love the weight is dahil this one is being made out of forged aluminum metal which is quite light dito sa aking kamay. For me, okay na okay ang kanyang display dito with a 11-inch na 2.5K display. Itong tablet ito has a 85% na screen-to-body ratio. And what I like dito sa kanya is very symmetrical ang kanyang mga bezels dito. And itong tablet ito has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level. So meaning you can watch all of your favorite HD na videos dito. So if you're watching mga HD na videos dito, you expect really nice and punchy colors. The black you'd see, it's blacker. And makita mo sharp na sharp ang video dito. So if you're watching together with the whole family, the whole barkada, I'm pretty sure mag-enjoy kayo dito sa display niya dahil ang ganda talaga. Now, I did try to watch some videos dito, mga anime, yung mga Korean novela, watching some mga basketball games dito. I was able to enjoy with my whole family and true enough, they love the display. Okay na okay daw siya. For the type of person na mahilig sa shorts, sa reels, I'm pretty sure that your viewing experience dito sa tablet ito would definitely be good dahil ang smooth niya and you love the clarity ng kanyang display dito. Now, since this tablet has a really nice audio and it is high-res certified and it has 4 quad speaker and it has 4 speaker nga pala by the way, dalawa sa taas and meron din dalawa sa ilalim. So let's just simply listen to the music. Well, honestly, ang lakas ng kanyang audio, but I feel the T20 Ultra is a little bit louder compared to the T30 Ultra. Now, itong tablet ito is the same sa T20 Ultra that is being powered by the Helio G99. I know, sobrang overly used ang processor na ito, but at the end of the day, I'll tell you, this is not a gaming tablet, by the way. So, G99 is definitely a good performance. Pagdating sa everyday usage, wala akong naging problema dito sa kanya. And he was able to score a 380,000 points naman dito sa tablet na ito. Dito naman sa Wildlife Extreme na stress test, you'll be able to get a best loop score na 341 and a 99% stability. Now, this is score naman makukuha mo dito sa Geekbench, sa CPU benchmarking niya. And this is what you'll get sa kanyang GPU benchmark. And having a subscription speed na internet dito sa bahay na 250 Mbps, this is the speed na nakuha ko dito sa tablet na ito. Download speed of 230 and upload speed na 185, which I think is quite good. Now, kung ang hiling mo naman is to game, I wouldn't really recommend gaming on this tablet, but this is the best graphical settings na pwede makuha mo sa Firelight 84 and playing games like this, si Call of Duty Mobile, si ML, I'm pretty sure kaya niya. Just have to step it down a little bit para medyo mas smoother yung experience. Now, the tablet ito has a 8,580 mAh of battery and can charge up to 18 watts na fast charging. But honestly, I don't believe it's called a fast charging dahil for me, 2024, at least 30 watts for me to call it a fast charger. But nevertheless, the tablet was able to charge within 2.5 hours. So, it's not really that fast. And if you ask me kung kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day, as long as normal naman yung usage, I don't think hindi naman kaya. Now, what I like dito sa kanyang camera module is looking really nice. And it looks really professional looking, unlike yung sa T30 Ultra, which looks kinda egg-shaped. This one is looking more of a camera from a smartphone. This is 16MP na rear camera. And there is also a 8MP na front-facing camera. Nag-try naman ako ng sample dito sa aking table. I was able to get some decent shot dito sa aking table, and taking another shot is looking something like this one. Okay naman siya, clear naman siya, sharp naman siya, and mabilis naman siya mag-focus. Now, ang kanya front-facing camera, I'm surprised that it was able to take in a nice shot like this one. And kitang-kita mga blemishes sa aking mukha, and it's very detailed. And tinry naman natin kumuha ng sample video using the front-facing camera together with its microphone. Here is a sample. So guys, right now, I'm recording using the front-facing camera ng Doogee T30 Ultra. I would say na okay, magandang quality ng kanyang resolution dito sa kanyang camera. And probably, I would say na kita mga blemishes na aking mukha. And clear na clear. I would say sharp naman ang kanyang video. No? Probably the only thing na medyo hirap siya is pag medyo nag-iibang lighting, pakita mo medyo nag-iibang resolution or color ng aking mukha. So probably you have to be consistent with your lighting to be able to get a more consistent colors dito using its front-facing camera ng Doogee T30 Ultra. And by the way, ang audio nito is recorded using the default microphone. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa tablet nito? Overall, I like the display. Ang ganda ng kanyang display, 2.5K display, malakas ang kanyang speaker, and best of all, meron siyang LTE connection wherever you go. And hindi lang isang SIM card na pwede mo ilagay dito, pwedeng dalawa. So you can combine either Globe and Smart, Smart and dito, or Globe and dito. Depende sa lakas ng signal sa inyong area or kung saan ka man nag-travel. Plus, one of the biggest factor dito sa akin, for me personally, is magaan tong tablet na ito, which is probably the winning factor. And probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa tablet nito is medyo mahina ang kanyang battery. This one can only give you roughly 7 hours na screen on time, which sometimes kung medyo heavy user ka or lagi ka or kung lagi ka naka-mobile data, I'm pretty sure that it can drain faster. Now, kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili itong tablet na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.